Afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to insert a table of contents in your project report format, or for that matter any Word document. Earlier what you used to do is manually give page numbers and add those page numbers into your index or table of contents. But now it is possible to automatically add it. So how to go about it? As you can see, I have already opened a Word document. Here I have placed my cursor on the first alphabet. I'll put an enter, take the cursor above. Move on to references. On your extreme left would be table of contents, and I'll say click on that and automatic table 1. Once I click on this, to add or remove, it gives you an option. Simply say OK for time being. So the table says no table of content entries were found. So how to add those entries now? Now say for example, this chapter 1 is introduction. So what we are going to do is we are going to go back to home page. Okay. Then we will say heading 1. Okay. Once I have done heading 1, it appears as bold and the color has changed. 1.1 is my heading 2. Again, I'll do the same for importance of training. 1.3 types of training. I have assumed that the title of my project is on training need analysis. I'll simply go on doing that. Okay, I'll put an enter over here. Now, what I'm going to do further is chapter 2 is company profile. Now, this again is heading 1. Again, 2.1 is heading 2, 2.2 that is management structure, and 2.3 SWOT analysis is heading 3. Again, chapter 3 is heading 1, so on and so forth. Now let us just check कि हमारे table of contents में entries आए हैं क्या. So what you're going to do is I'm going to click on this and say updates table. As you can see, it has already come chapter 1 saying introduction, the subpoints, chapter 2 that is company profile, the subpoints, chapter 3 research methodology का हमने किया नहीं था इसलिए वो आया नहीं है. How to go about it? Now remember, bibliography and annexure are not chapters, so do not give them any number but simply make it as heading 1. Similarly, recommendations, conclusions are all chapters, so should come in heading 1. What should come in heading 2 are the subpoints. Okay, limitations of the study is a subpoint of research methodology chapter. So I'm going to go on adding that. So objectives of the study. What is your hypothesis? Sorry, I simply made it as heading 1. So I'll take it as heading 2. Again as heading 2. Primary data. Now in data collection I want to add subpoints now. So here I'll say it is heading 3. Secondary data, again heading 3. Sample size is a different thing, so heading 2. Okay. Let us go back to our table of contents and check. So I'll say update the entire table. As you can see, everything has come. Can you see that in 3.3 data collection methods उसके सब पॉइंट्स भी ऐड हो गए हैं. That is primary data and secondary data. कितना नीट दिखता है ना. It looks very crisp, very concise and very clean. So whenever you make any project report, make sure that you add a table of contents. How to go about it? Open the Word document, go to references, add table of contents, automatic table 1, and go back to the home tab and you will have the various styles over there. You can simply say heading 1, heading 2 and heading 3 according to your chapters. So that was it. Thank you.